Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters: your mobile, an admin passcode, and a chosen DNS provider. First, open Settings and go to Wi-Fi or mobile network. Pick the network you use. Once there, tap the DNS or IP settings, switch from automatic to manual, and enter the primary and secondary DNS addresses you noted. Make sure to save the profile, and once saved, toggle the connection off and on so the system clears the previous DNS cache and requests the new resolver immediately. Once your manual DNS is live, strengthen it by enabling encrypted DNS. On Android, choose DNS over TLS in private DNS and paste the provider hostname. On iOS, install a DNS over HTTPS app or use a VPN profile that exposes DNS settings. If the OS lacks fields, install the provider's app or a trusted DNS client and follow its onboarding. Then run a lookup test in an app or use developer tools to confirm the queries go to the intended resolver rather than the carrier. To finalize, restart your phone and recheck multiple sites and apps. Persistence across boots means configuration succeeded. If something fails, clear affected apps caches and test again because stale data can mask DNS changes. If problems persist, revert to automatic DNS briefly to determine if the manual settings or the network are at fault. Make sure to document the exact addresses and timestamps so you can reproduce the issue or report it to your DNS provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.